safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
National Weather Service Alpha radar indicates a line of thunderstorms producing strong winds 34 miles or greater from 13 nautical miles west of Monmouth Beach, 15 nautical miles southwest of Manasquan Inlet, 4.8 nautical miles south of Crystal Beach, 25 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving northeast at 35 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near over Monmouth Beach, Manasquan Inlet, and actual Carlson Reef by 9:25 p.m. or 15 degrees. Deep rain, Sandy Creek by 9:30 p.m. or 15 p.m. Maryland, gusty winds, and heavy rain. Stay foggy immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck and possible 2 feet away from ungrounded metal objects.
Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for